Today we're going to learn about how to change your system from summer mode to winter mode. Getting ready for that cold weather, we want to have our house nice and warm. We want to have our units running at tip-top shape. And I'm going to give you a couple pointers on how to get things done. Alright, let's get going, guys. This is a good time to check to make sure your filters are clean at the beginning of the season, at the end of the season. So we'll do that today. We'll clean the filters. There's a video that we've done previously on how to clean the filters. Check that out now if you need to know how to do it. You're going to want to make sure you don't have a lot of leaves built up underneath your outdoor units. So get a rake, get a blower, get a rooster, and take care of those leaves under there. Make sure it's nice and clean, because in the winter, the snow, it's just going to add up. So take care of that. It's also a good time now to check to make sure that the pipes are going to be free from mice. So take a look. See these steel wool? Make sure your steel wool is still where it's supposed to be, still in there nice and tight, keeping all the rodents, the mice and stuff from getting inside your house. You don't want that. Alright, this is really important, guys. Make sure when you're setting your remote control from summer to winter, first turn the power button on. Make sure the remote control is pointed at the indoor unit during this process, because and make sure you hear the beep noise when you hit the button. Otherwise, it's not going to do it. Sometimes it takes 3 seconds after you press the button for all the information to be sent from the remote control to the unit. It's not just turning it on and turning it off. It's actually setting the parameters to the indoor unit. Okay? So we're right now, you get the little symbol for air conditioning. We are going to go, that's dry mode, heat. That's all you got to do. All right? And we're pointing it at the indoor unit for more than 3 seconds, and that's it. That's all you got to do. I have yet to get my outdoor unit cleaned. It still looks really, really good. I'm not going to get it cleaned this year. If you do want to get it cleaned, it costs about that much money to get your outdoor unit serviced. Every place is different. This is what it costs here in New England, where you live. It could be a lot more, it could be a lot less. In New Hampshire, New England, labor rates are pretty high, and that's why this may look crazy compared to the prices you might see here, down in, South Carolina or Kentucky or someplace like that. So keep that in mind. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I love you, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.